Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Kicked off the day at Route 52 Jack's Auto Parts Salvage Yard. I hear this is a landmark in the area. It is a self-serve junkyard. They now have an admission of $2 to get in, and one of the employees here recognized me. So if you come down here to get some parts, it's a little tough because of the way the cars are situated, but they said if you need something from under the cars, they'll help you out. Let them know I sent you down here, Robert DIY from YouTube, and they will give you the royal treatment. So this is in Cincinnati, Ohio. I think it's Highway 52 on the southeast side of Cincinnati. Platinum even has the rear wing on it. I know that's a little rare for a Platinum sedan. If you need one, it's in Cincinnati, let me know. I'll double back and get it for you. Be generous when you do. Here's a Platinum sedan. I think this thing was here last time I was here. Standard anti-sway bars. Nice wheels for these Platinums. Down this aisle, looked like there was some kind of treasure hunt going on. People pulling engines like there was gold hid in the oil pan or one or something. I don't think I ever seen so many engines pulled out of one row. Man, look at that bug. That thing is beautiful. Probably because it's close to the color of Queen Bee. And that attracted my attention. In the yard.
Bob dude from the Volvo page, are you?
I am.
Hey, you told me a bunch of shit. I looked it up. You got a great page.
Oh,
man.
okay, good. What's your name?
Hey, this thing runs good. It's like got a blowed head at it. It's blowing compression into the radiator.
Yeah, that's what they do.
Right up. You heard it run? Pump water into the oil. One or the other. Not yet. It ain't doing that yet.
Oh, well, they don't normally do that. That's good.
It's either one or the other.
Towing it into the yard, fires right up.
It's got a lot of miles on it, though.
Yeah.
I drove it. But I just put brand new shit in.
How many miles?
I looked up your fuel pump thing. I just put a new fuel pump in it.
Oh, wow. New fuel pump, purring like a kitten, but it has a minor blown head gasket.
Right.
So, if you get down here quick before it gets picked apart, it's all yours. What is it, a 94?
No, 96.
96, okay.
Now what do you want me to do, Rick?
96, 96.
You gonna put it in reverse back?
While at Jack's, I had a brief conversation with maybe the owner about how difficult the vehicles were positioned to pull stuff like transmissions and stuff like that. And he explained to me that they have a forklift driver that would pull a car out of the stack and set it in a way to allow you to pull the parts that you want off the car. If it's something like a transmission or something like that that you need. He kind of alluded to the guy would love to do that for a small tip or something like that. So get a guy a couple bucks, $2, $3, $5 for his little bit of trouble setting the car out for you, and he'll set that car up so it'll be real easy for you to get the transmission and stuff like that out of there. So just a little tidbit of information for working out of jacks. I thought I was going to break my record for going to the most junkyards in one day. I had 7 scheduled. My record is 6 in one day. But I went to this, what I thought was grade A, like they have in Louisville, and they said this is not a functioning pull and pay. So ISA had a good pick of P80s, but this one only has 2 Volvos, an XC90 and a S40. Going to pull and pay or pick apart, and then we're headed out of here. LKQ. Man, I'm gonna walk all these roads, get me some steps in. Land Rover Discovery. See if I can find something new in the past 6 months or so. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.